We are going to be talking about parallel lines and angle pairs. Okay, so when we're dealing with those, you're going to have a set of parallel lines, and then you're going to have a line that cuts through it, which is called a transversal. But the first angle pair we're going to talk about is alternate interior angles. Which would be here and here. With that, these angles are congruent. The next one we have are alternate exterior angles. These angles are congruent. So notice here, between the alternate, it's on different, one angle is on the left, one angle is on the right for both of these. That's what gives them the alternate here. They're on alternate sides of that transversal. Interior versus exterior. Interior, you're on the inside of those parallel lines. Exterior, you're not inside those railroad tracks. Okay, so there's a difference there. Next one, we have corresponding angles. These angles are in the same location. So if I'm in this top corner, there's four different, if I'm in the bottom left, the corresponding is going to be in this bottom left as well. These angles are also congruent. Then we have same side interior. Okay. These angles are on the same side of the transversal, but they're both inside. These angles add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so a little bit different. You just need to determine what side of the transversal you're on, and then determine the location based on our different, if they're interior, exterior, that kind of information. So let's look at an example here. Go a different direction here. Let's say that this angle here is 135, and I want to know this angle here. So the first thing I do is I always think, okay, am I on same side or alternate sides? I put a little check next to alternate. Okay, so then from there, I ask myself interior or exterior. So when I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking, okay, if I was a railroad, or if I was a train and I was following my paths, if I crossed over those angles, then it's interior. So they're alternate interior angles. Therefore, they should be congruent, which means that x equals 135. So notice I go through those same set of questions each time to determine my different angle pairs. Sometimes you'll have angles that are a little bit trickier because they'll be an algebraic expression, but the setup is still the same. You're either going to set them equal to each other or they're going to add up to that 180.